Hi there, Sandy here. It's Sunday night in stormy Massachusetts. The storm is almost over and we came through fine. As you can see, our electricity is still on, but I have a bit of a mess to clean up on my table, and I thought I would show it to you as it drives home an important point to remember when working with polymer clay.
So, you know how you've heard that some plastics aren't compatible with polymer clay? Well, it's true. Some are and some aren't. And you know, I knew these little cups weren't, and yet I put my stuff in here thinking I would get back to it quickly, and I didn't. And look what we've got. This is full of some liquid clay that I'm working on something with. I'll be doing a video on that soon, but oh, yuck. So let me move this out of the way. Oh, it looks like, ugh, my little scoop is okay. Looks like I can clean that off and that'll be all right. But my little plastic cup, these are the cups that you get samples in at Costco. I saved them for mixing things. And like I said, I knew I shouldn't leave it here for long, but the plan wasn't to leave it here for quite as long as I did. And so there it is. Okay. I wanted to save the mixture so I'd have the same ratio for the next part of the project, but yeah, wow. In fact, that's like, it's almost like cured. It's, yeah. So anyways, I thought you might find that fascinating. All right, well, you know what? This actually confirms something I had been wondering about. I'm usually kind of careful about not leaving polymer on my quilting mat here that is my work surface, but it doesn't seem to have damaged this at all. No, that's coming right up, so that's fine. But these thin little plastic cups, let's see, they are type 6. And in fact, if you go to Ginger Davis Allman's website at the Blue Bottle Tree, she will tell you that the type 6 plastics are not compatible with polymer clay. You can use them for short-term mixing, but not long-term storage. So, a little just demonstration for you tonight. All right, I'll talk to you later. Happy creating.